Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra with 16,023 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with exhaust tips and Warrior Thunder Foundation primary cover, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. A stylish and distinct look frames the custom setting of the CVO Road Glide Ultra. Powered by Harley's twin-cam 110 cubic inch motor, it puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. Adding to its appeal are the spacious storage options, weather guard fairings, and layers of custom options including highway pegs, smoke lighting accents, and heated grips. It has a 29.7 inch seat height and a wet weight of 968 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.